This 5-minute solution will show you how to block friends on Free Fire. So if you want to block someone, follow these simple steps. And note one thing, that you can block only that user who sends you a friend request. Open your Free Fire app and tap on this friend icon. Tap on applications. Select receipt, and here you will get your friend request list. And now to block any friend or user, click on this little block icon. Tap on OK. And that's how we can block someone on Free Fire. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.